In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to freeze a frame in CapCut. Start by importing your clip and dragging it onto the timeline. Now, find the moment you want to freeze, in this case, right as bird jumps. Move the playhead to that exact frame, and make sure the clip is selected. Then, click the freeze button. You'll find it in the toolbar right above the timeline. Once you click it, CapCut will create a 3-second still image of that exact frame. It will appear as a frozen section in the timeline. If you want to make the freeze frame longer or shorter, just drag the edge of the frozen clip. If it snaps and you can't move it freely, disable snapping by clicking the magnet icon or pressing P on your keyboard. Now you can extend or reposition the freeze frame however you like. And that's how you freeze a frame in CapCut, simple and useful for creative edits or dramatic pauses. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.